We'll be calculating the mean monthly temperature or rainfall. To do that, we'll go to our new worksheet and we open data. This is the assignment that we did yesterday in class, the mean rainfall. So the next that we have to calculate now is the mean monthly rainfall. And to do that, we need to identify information that we have. I will advise each and every one of us that once we have information like this, we need to duplicate your information. You save your data and then you create another sheet that you work with. So I can just copy this and open a new sheet, then I paste. To copy, use the Control C and the Control V. That way we have our data, our raw data, and then we can work in this sheet. You know that any error here, you come back, you still have your information here. So what we need to do now, I'll delete this column or I'll cut it. I'll delete this column completely. It's not useful. I'll delete it. So I have my original sheet as it was given. The next thing we need to do is identify the information we have on our data. We have the column for years, we have the column for the months of the year, we have the column for the days of the month, and we have the colors for the days in the year. So the column we need is monthly. I'll copy the year, click on the month, click on the day, and then click on the date of the month, and then I'll come and for Douala, this tree, I'll copy, come to my sheet, come to a new sheet, or better still, just delete this and then delete the rest because I already have them duplicated. So this our worksheet. What we need Douala and we need the years. So the next thing we need to do is to get a mean for the month, and the monthly mean means we'll sort this column out. You see, have different months of the year 1 to 12, as you can see, different months 1, 2, 3, 4 for all the years. So what we do is we'll perform a sort. To perform the sort, we right click on the top, we click on here, you click on sort. Either sort by ascending or descending. Ascending is from 1 to 12 and descending is from 12 to 1. So I'll go by sort by ascending and I click OK. So I have now my statistics. If you look now, I have only for the first month of each year, have for the second month, third, fourth, fifth. It has been sorted out already. So what we need to do next is we scroll down to the end date of the first month. Scroll down to the first date of the first month. It might be time consuming. We scroll down to the first date. And where the first month ends, you click on the second month, the start of the second month, and you take insert. the column will be inserted. Once the column is inserted, you come to this and you select, oh sorry, come to the amount of rainfall, or better still, so you click here, then you come, you click on, you press the shift button and you click on this, automatically selected. You go to statistics and mean, standard error. We don't need standard error. Standard deviation, we need it. So we have this one, we copy, close, and with a new worksheet, you paste. I'm using the arrow key, so you insert the gap, insert between 6 and 5. You do so till you reach the end. You use the scroll, you scroll down, once you see 7, you click on 7 and then you go up with the arrow key. So you meet this line, just the first column on 7, you do an insert, a break, that's a break. You go down. Okay, so once we have all the intervals, we then now select, just go to, like for 12, to calculate the mean for 12. Okay, to calculate the mean for 12, we just do this. So what I do is I click here, shift, shift, and I click here, then I come to statistics, and then okay, because mean is already selected. Okay, click here, shift, this one's selected, just delete. Just more space. Come here, click, shift, I click here. Let's go to statistics. Okay, copy, copy, close, get to the sheet, Control X. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then I come back to the sheet. I just do my hand still on shift. I use the arrow key and I delete. I just delete to reduce my workspace. For the 10 month. Click hand on shift and click statistics. Okay. Copy, close onto the sheet. September, October. Change the sheet to back. Shift, delete. So once I have my data like this, I don't know how to continue, so I just copy this and open an Excel sheet and I paste it. In an Excel sheet, go to insert a graph, and I have my graph.